Today I am going to explain about the electric dipole and its expression. Electric dipole, two dissimilar charge separated by certain distance, then it forms electric dipole or electric dipole moments. Here first try to understand the dipole field. The electric field produced by an electric dipole is called dipole field. Electric dipole, two dissimilar charge separated by certain distance, then it forms electric dipole. Plus q and minus q charge, here plus q and minus q charge separated by distance 2a. ठीक है, and both charges having the what same magnitude, then electric dipole P equal to q into 2a. When electric dipole direction from negative to positive charge, then it is called dipole moments. So P equal to q into 2a. So dipole moments either charge into a vector drawn from negative to positive charge. Dipole moment is a vector quantity. So magnitude of P vector equal to q into 2a. Its unit is coulomb meters. For example, H2O and HCl. The center of positive charges does not fall exactly over the center of negative charge, so it is called electric dipole. Now, the expression for electric field at an axial point of a dipole. Here, two charges, minus q charge and plus q charge. Minus q charge located at point A and plus q charge located at point B, and they are separated by distance of 2a. O is its middle points, then AO equal to OB and P be a point on its axial line. So electric field at point P due to minus q charge is E minus q, and electric field at point P due to plus q charge is E plus q. So here electric field at the point P due to minus q charge is E minus q equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus a square into r cap, where r cap, here r cap, not r cap, this is the what p cap, and p cap is the what unit factors. Okay, and electric field at point P due to positive charge is E plus q equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught r minus a whole square into p unit cap. So resultant electric field due to dipole is E axial equal to E plus q plus E minus q. So in this way, q by 4 pi epsilon naught in bracket 1 by r minus a square minus 1 by r plus a square equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught. We will take the LCM. So LCM is r square minus a square ka whole square, and here in numerators r plus a ka whole square minus r minus a ka whole square. So we get its value q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4ar into p cap, p unit vectors divided by r square plus r square minus a square ka whole square. So here q into 2a into 2r into p unit vector by 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus a square ka whole square, and its value equal to 2pr into p unit vector divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus a square ka whole square. When r is greater than a, then E axial equal to 2p by 4 pi epsilon naught rq towards the right. Now electric field on equatorial point of a dipole. Here two dissimilar charge, minus q charge plus q charge separated by distance of 2a, then it forms electric dipole or dipole moments P equal to q into 2a. Let P be a point on its equatorial sides, ठीक है, have distance r from the center of the dipole O. So electric field at point P due to plus Q charge is E plus Q along the direction of BP, and electric field at point P due to minus Q charge is what? E minus Q. Okay, so the E plus Q value equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught PB square. This is the what? PB square. Here O is the middle point, so OA equal to OB. Okay, it's so OA equal to OB equal to a small a, and PB and POP equal to R. So PB equal to PA equal to a square root of R square plus A square. So in this way, E plus Q value equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught PB square equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught square root of R square plus A square का whole square, and finally you get its value Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus A square directed along the BP. And here E minus Q equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught AP square. This is the what? AP square. Okay, so its value equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught square root of R square plus A square का whole square, and finally you get its value minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus A square directed along the direction of PA. Okay, so clearly the component of E minus Q and E plus Q normal to the dipole axis will cancel out, but the components parallel to the dipole axis added up. So total electric field E equatorial is opposite to P. So E equatorial equal to minus E minus Q cos theta plus E plus Q cos theta into P unit vectors equal to minus 2 E minus Q cos theta into P vectors. So we get its value minus 2 Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus A square in place of cos theta equal to A by square root of R square plus A square into P unit vector, because cos theta equal to A by square root of R square plus A square. So finally you get its value minus equal to minus 2Q A minus 2QA P unit vectors by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus A square whole power 3 by 2. Okay, where P unit vector its value is 1 and equal to total equatorial equal to minus Q into 2A into P unit vectors divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus A square whole to power 3 by 2. So its value equal to minus P vectors into P unit vectors divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus A square whole to power 3 by 2. So E equatorial equal to minus P by 4 pi epsilon naught RQ. Direction of E vectors at any point on the equatorial line of the dipole anti-parallel to the dipole moments P. Comparison of electric field of a short dipole at axial and equatorial points. We already get E axial equal to 2P by 4 pi epsilon naught RQ and E equatorial equal to P by 4 pi epsilon naught RQ. So hence we get here E axial equal to 2 into E equatorials. Hence electric field due to dipole at a distance r along the axis is equal to the twice of the electric field of electric dipole. Now torque on a dipole in uniform electric field. Here again we consider the electric dipole which will be placed in uniform electric field, okay, an electric dipole makes an angle theta with the direction of the what? Electric field. So here consider an electric dipole consisting of charges plus q and minus q are of length 2a placed in uniform external electric field, ठीक है, makes an angle theta with it. Then dipole moment P equal to Q into 2A. So force exerted due to plus Q charge is plus QE and force exerted due to minus Q charge equal to minus QE. Both are equal and opposite, so net force due to dipole is 0. But the two equal and opposite forces acts at different points, so it forms the torque, and torque tau equal to either force into perpendicular distance between the two forces. So here QE into here Bm, and Bm value equal to 2a sin theta. So Q into 2a into E sin theta. So its value equal to what? P sin theta. So torque vector equal to P vector cross E vectors. When torque value is minimum, then theta equal to 0 degree, and when torque value tau is maximum, when theta equal to 90 degree. Thank you. Have a nice day.